Assalamu alaikum 7th class. Welcome to your science lecture. So open your book students, as we were reading chapter number 5, fit and healthy, and in previous lecture we have discussed about different kinds of diseases that are uh, caused by our nutrition. These diseases includes diabetes, heart diseases, asthma, arthritis, Sakharov, rickets, anemia, and kwashiorkor. Today we are going to start our new topic, drugs. Drugs are substances that change the way of body works. They can act on nervous system by affecting the movement of nerve impulses along the fiber nerve cells. Students, basically drugs are that things that change the way of working of human body. Most drugs are useful, but many are harmful and can easily kill if they are misused. Different drugs are useful and that are called medicines, and many drugs are not useful and they will kill the person if he will misuse these drugs. So first of all we will talk about useful drugs. Drugs such as aspirin and paracetamol are painkillers. They can be bought at the chemist for headaches and other pains. Students, when a person feels pains like headache and body pain, it will buy some medicines from a chemist like paracetamols and aspirins. These are common medicines and present in every home. So these are useful drugs. Tranquilizers and sedatives should only be obtained on prescription from a doctor. Tranquilizers and sedatives are also useful drugs, but they cannot be taken by the chemist. It should be taken by the prescription of the doctor. Tranquilizers calm people down. Sleeping pills are sedatives. The body can quickly become dependent on these drugs. These drugs are taken by the prescription of the doctor. This is because the person will depend on these drugs easily. Tranquilizers just calm down the person, and sedatives are that drugs that produce sleep in the human. Anesthetics are used to a number parts of the body. Dentists use local anesthetics to numb your mouth. A general anesthetic is used to put patients to sleep completely before an operation. Before an operation, some medicines are given to the patient for the sleepiness. These medicines are called anesthetics, and these are the useful drugs. Harmful drugs. Unfortunately, some people use some drugs to give pleasant short-term effects. It is easily to become addicted to harmful drugs, and many drugs addicts to die. Students, when some persons feel from some troubleness, they eat some medicines or drugs, and these drugs will change their body working way. As a result, they feel pleasant, and for taking pleasant they daily eat these drugs. As a result, their body addicted to these drugs. As a result, these drugs produce bad effects in human body, in that person. Many of these drugs affect behavior and personality, as well as having long-term effects on the brain. It will change the behavior and personality of that person, and it will affect the brain. The use or possession of controlled drugs such as cannabis, cocaine, and heroin is illegal in most parts of the world. Some drugs are illegal in most parts of the world because it produces very bad effects on human body, and person will use it badly. So these drugs include cannabis, cocaine, and heroin. Smoking. Smoking kills about 5 million people in the world every year. This is because tobacco smoke contains lots of harmful chemicals. People's Many people in the world do smoking. As a result, they will die because tobacco contains many harmful chemicals like nicotine. Nicotine is a poison which damages the heart, blood vessels, and nerves. It is an addictive drug. Smokers cannot be without it and also find it hard to give up. Tobacco contains nicotine and it affects the heart, blood vessels, and person dependent on it, and it will difficult to give up. Tar. Smoke also contains tar. Tar sticks to the inside of the lungs. When the smoke cools, it affects the walls of the alveoli and causes lung cancer. Lung cancer of the smoker is very common disease, and it is because of the tar chemical that is present in tobacco. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. It prevents blood carrying oxygen around the body. Other gases such as ammonia and cyanide irritate the inside of the passage. This makes smokers cough. Students, this is contain carbon monoxide, and carbon monoxide is the gas that affects the breathing system of the person. Diseases caused by smoking. Different diseases are caused by the smoking in a human. Most people who have lung cancer or cancer of the mouth are smokers. Smokers mostly suffer from a lung cancer or mouth cancer. Emphysema is caused by chemicals in tobacco smoke. Alveoli are destroyed, reducing the surface area of the lung. These tiny hairs which clean the inside of the lungs are killed by tobacco smoke. Lung can quickly become infected by bacteria. This is called bronchitis. So emphysema is the damage of the bronchitis. कीपिंग फिट एंड हेल्दी. खुद को फिट और हेल्दी कैसे रखें? टू बी फिट एंड हेल्दी यू हैव टू डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. यू डू नॉट हैव टू बी अ सुपर एथलीट और गो टू द जिम एवरी डे टू बी फिट एंड हेल्दी. हेल्दी रहने के लिए आपको जिम और एथलीट जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसके लिए आप कुछ तदबीर इख्तियार करके हेल्दी रह सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दिस टिप्स? Here are few simple things that you have to do. Cut down on fried food. Use vegetable oils for cooking instead of animal fat. Try boiling or grilling food instead of frying. So avoid the frying food, to eat frying food. Eat less red meat. Poultry and fish are better because they contain less fat. Eat less fatty dairy foods such as butter and cream. Eat more fresh fruit and vegetables. Avoid smoking, increase blood pressure. Relax and avoid stressful situations. Exercise regularly. Walking briskly for about 20 minutes takes about the same amount of energy as a 15 minutes bike ride, a medium level workout at the gym. Brisk walking moves from more oxygen into the brain and triggers the release of chemicals called endorphins into the bloodstream. Together, these can help to lower anxiety, increase the feeling of well-being, and leave you more relaxed. So, students, these are some things you have to do to keep your body fit and healthy. Read it and learn it carefully and apply these things regularly in your life. Thank you.